How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 64 Malibu SS. It's a true SS convertible, done in Ember Red with matching red interior and a white top. Super nice car. Older restoration on it. I tell you, the paintwork on this car is super nice. Flat, crisp paint. Good solid car. Had to bear with us. It's a little chilly out today. It's only about 18 degrees right now. Trying to get this done before the snow comes in. See, the bumpers and all the chrome on this car is very, very nice. The bumpers have all been re-chromed. A lot of the other moldings and stainless are the originals and are in excellent condition. Got a nice set of American vintage torque thrust D's on it. Got your power disc brakes up front, nice upgrade. It's got power steering. It's a 283 4-barrel. Got the 2-speed original trans in it. This car's pretty much all stock original, other than the upgraded power disc brakes. Just a very, very nice car. The grill looks like it's new, but it's the original. I tell you, the paint on this is super flat, super slick paint. See, the jams are all real nice, clean. I really, really like the red interior. The dash is all in excellent condition. It's got the padded dash. Got your factory center console. Convertible top is all in excellent condition. The rear window's nice and clear. It is the plastic window. They've updated the car with seat belts front and rear. And it is a power top. Works perfect. Just being as cold as it is, we don't want to try to put it down today. But it does work. Got a nice parade boot, matches interior. Got the factory spare and jack. Trunk floor in the car is all real nice. Tell you, it's really hard to find these cars that are this nice anymore. Very, very nice car. And with the red, with the white top, very, very classy. Just a good looking car. All the interior in the thing looks excellent. They did do a AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted the underside of the dash there. Didn't want to cut the dash up. It's got your dual mirrors. Fires right up. One's perfect. It's idling a little high right now, the choke's on. Just so cold out. Got a nice dual exhaust. There you go, we got it idled down a little bit. Sounds good. Tell you, the thing runs great. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at our location at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.